Hello guys, we are students of Anna Sahib Dalvi College of Engineering and Technology from Ashna, and in our today's video, we are going to cover the topics like what is heat, different types of heat, modes of heat transfer, and at last, we will summarize all the points we learned in our today's video. Actually, we are not familiar with what is heat. We use heat as different names in our day-to-day life. So let's say fever, then hotness, coldness, sweating. These all are types of heat and their names. So what actually heat is? It is actually a sensation also. Also, we can say that heat is transfer of energy from one object to other object. If we touch hot cup, so we will say yes, it's hot, and the temperature that is denoted in Kelvin, degree Celsius, and Fahrenheit. Whether we take heat as energy, it is in its SI unit goes in joules. It is heat in the forms of definition. So going definition wise, heat is transfer of energy from one object to other object. So take object A and object B. B is object with more energy and A is object with less energy. So what basically will happen from B, energy will be transferred to A, and up till both the objects will attain same energy. Whereas in sensation, the object is hot or cold, we say that the object is hot or it is cold. It is measured in temperature. So from this you got a grasp over what heat is, and the further topic will be explained by my friend Rahul.
So there is a three modes of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is a transfer of heat through direct contact. Second, convection. Convection is heat transfer through some medium. And radiation is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves. सोप्या भाषेत कंडक्शन सांगायचं झालं तर आपण डायरेक्ट टच करायचा जर आपल्याला हीट जाणून घ्यायची असेल तेव्हा ट्रान्सफर ऑफ हीट तेव्हा होते जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या ऑब्जेक्ट ए ऑब्जेक्ट बीला टच करतो म्हणजे कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये डायरेक्ट कॉन्टॅक्ट. सेकंड आहे कन्व्हेक्शन. कन्व्हेक्शन म्हणजे हीट ट्रान्सफर करण्यासाठी आपल्याला मीडियमची गरज लागते. आपण एक्झाम्पल घेऊ, पाणी गरम करताना ज्या पातेल्यात आपण पाणी गरम करतात हे एक मीडियमचं काम करतं. आणि थर्ड आहे रेडिएशन. तर रेडिएशनसाठी सगळ्यात सोपं एक्झाम्पल म्हणजे सूर्य आणि पृथ्वी. हे एम्प्टी स्पेस म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला मीडियमची गरज लागत नाही. आपण एम्प्टी स्पेसमध्ये पण हीट ट्रान्सफर करू शकतो.
Now we can see the types of heat. First is sensible heat and second is the latent heat. Latent heat is a type of heat that we can directly feel and measure with a thermometer. It happens because of the rise in temperature of an object. And second is latent heat. It is a type of heat that we can absorb or release during a change of state, such as liquid to solid or solid to liquid.
As we have gone through what heat transfer actually is, now I'll summarize it. So first we started with heat. So what actually is heat? Heat is the total energy a substance has. Now an object, another object. One object has energy more, higher energy. The other object has less energy. This when come in contact, there is transfer of energy. Now this is a type of transfer of energy. Why there are three types of transfer of energy? One, conduction; second, convection; third, radiation. In conduction, like I said, there is direct contact between the two objects. The energy transfer occurs directly. Thus called conduction. In convection, there is a medium between them, like an air conditioner. Air conditioner, then there is a medium that is air and wind. When we turn on the AC, the temperature of the room starts to change. That is, the air inside the room starts to change its temperature, and we feel it. This is what we can say as convection. In radiation, suppose suppose there is a object 2 like sun and earth. While we know that there is no in space there is vacuum, that is no particles. When this object transfers its heat energy to another object and there is no medium, we call it as radiation. In this type of transfer, the transfer occurs through electromagnetic radiations, electromagnetic waves, and latent heat and specific heat. For latent heat, when an object like ice cube melts and becomes water but does not change its temperature, we call it as latent heat. And in this, the object absorbs energy but there is no rise in temperature, it just changes its state, which is why we call it as latent heat. Specific heat. In specific heat, suppose there is chalk, there we want rise in temperature, we keep on heating it, so this chalk's temperature rises by 1 degree, we call it as specific heat.